Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial video on how to schedule Instagram posts, and let's get started. So first, go ahead and open up your Instagram application. Once the app opens up, slide left to access the camera, or you can tap on this plus icon right here. And now select the video or post that you want to schedule. Here I select the image, tap on the arrow at the upper right, tap on the arrow upper right once again, and once you come up to this page, tap on advanced settings and simply toggle on this schedule this post option. Now from here you can set on your time or date whenever you want to post it. So I'm gonna keep it on Saturday, June 3rd around 10:30 p.m. and then save it. Once it's done, your post will be scheduled and will be uploaded on the exact time. Super easy. So yeah, that was it guys. I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please like, share and subscribe to us for more great contents. Thanks for watching.